The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how the internet version of ClassFlow works. Step 1 is to log into Google Chrome from any computer. Once logged into Google Chrome, navigate to the mail.fcboe.org bookmarks bar in the top left corner. Go down to ClassFlow. Click Login with Google. Click on your name. And now you're logged into the online version of ClassFlow. Once logged into the online version of ClassFlow, you can start by creating a lesson. Notice in the top left corner, you may want to go ahead and rename the lesson. You can also change the name of the first card if you would like. Now that you have a title and a name of your first slide, you're ready to go ahead and deliver your lesson. In the top right corner, the Deliver button. And notice that we now look very similar to how ClassFlow desktop looks. So we still have our fill box down here in the bottom, of course, where we can change the background color. We have a pen so that we can write, and we still have our points of touch as we did with ClassFlow desktop. Of course, we can still erase with our fist. We can add additional cards in the bottom. We can add text on top of the cards. And of course, students can come up and still annotate over the whiteboard. When you have completed the lesson for the day, in the bottom left corner of the menu bar, notice the 3 horizontal lines. You're going to exit the lesson, and you have some choices here. So if you don't save, then you will retain your original lesson without any of the student annotations or your annotations that were created during the lesson. If you save, it will overwrite anything that you have already created with this lesson. And if you save new, it will make a copy of the original plus the annotations that were created during the lesson. In this situation, I'm going to go ahead and choose Save. Notice I am brought back to my Lesson Builder page, where I can continue to build content for this lesson. If I wish to exit Lesson Builder, I simply click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner and move down to Exit Builder. Notice that I am now in my Resources page, where I can see the lesson that we just did. Notice that I can continue to edit the lesson or deliver the lesson from right here. When finished with ClassFlow, notice you can click on your initials in the top right corner and log out. If you choose to log back in and return to your lesson, on the top left corner, you're going to find your resources and the lesson that we just presented.